So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do all to click on that subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the week on our AUD USD. So first thing first, we need to know where the trend is. Then we have to trade with the trend. When you take a look at your AUD USD, you can clearly see that AUD USD is in an uptrend move. It is very clear that AUD USD is in an uptrend move. We are very much bullish, right? Now, guys, pay attention to this movement right here. So, if this is seen as your eye, this would also be seen as the higher low. Then here comes the higher high right here. And this is the higher low, right? Now, with this higher low, guess what market did next? Market eventually pushed up again to form. It's pushed up again to form a new higher high. And then here comes the higher low. This is also a new higher high. And this is our higher low. So with this higher low, we will be expecting AUD to actually push up again to form a new higher high. So this week, we're most likely going to be a bullish move for us on AUD. So AUD will most likely going to be a bullish move for us. So guys, if you want to be anticipating for anything on AUD, you would want to be anticipating for the buy. The bullish move is what you should be expecting. Now, if you take a look at this right here, markets got to this level and it is rejecting. So we will be expecting that rejection to continue to market push up and completely take out this idea by forming a new higher high. So once again, guys, this week will be a bullish move for us on AUD. Let's go down to our daily time frame. If you take a look at this daily time frame, markets did give us a reversal movement. You can see the reversal movement right here. It did give us a double bottom right here. So this is one of the reasons why markets literally crossed above our 10 period simple moving average, right? It's crossed above it. Now markets eventually pull back, and now we'll be expecting markets to eventually push up again to continue the movement to the upside. So this is to tell you that more movement to the upside is what we'll be expecting on our AUD. So in order for you not to miss out on more updates, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.